Hello everyone. I hope you're having a good evening. So, my name is Anubhav Mishra and I'm a student of MSCS, like Masters in Computer Science at UC Davis here in California, obviously. UC Davis stands for University of California, Davis. So, today we're here to do the unboxing of this iPad that I won or got for free that I'm gonna let you know at the very end. So, a little about this thing. This is a iPad 9th generation, 64 GB Wi-Fi only. And you might be wondering, why did I buy this thing or did I get it for free? Why it's so old? Why would anyone want to buy this thing? It's so like in 2024 now. So I'm gonna tell you that I got it for free, but I'm gonna tell you in the very end how I got it for free. So stay tuned till the very end to know more about it. And let's do the unboxing of this thing first. Or let's just take an overview. You might have seen already a lot of videos on it, but just an overview. This is iPad, and there's this Apple logo. And if you can see, there's written like $299 for it. An iPad 9th generation 64 GB. And this is obviously without taxes, but with taxes it will be more. And a little more information, like what all is included in the package: USB-C to lightning cable, and there's a power adapter, which is a bit of a rare thing nowadays. From all the Apple or all the high-end products, there's no power adapter with it, so that's also included with it. And yeah, designed by Apple, made in California, assembled in Vietnam. That's interesting. Yeah, that's should be it for now. And like, let's just head over to the to remove this plastic filmy thing. I had this knife only. I didn't have any other one, but yeah. Let's just go with it. If you're able to see. Let's just move that film for the side for now. Again, we have the box now. We'll have to this shake thing we'll have to do with this. Ta-da! Yep. So here we have our main thing. The iPad. Yes. Let's just keep it aside for now. Let's take a look at what else is inside the box. Okay, so it should be like this. Some paperwork designed by Apple in California. What all is in there? Is there something else? Oh yes. So just some random things and sort of a user manual. What button does what in it? How do I control the iPad? And a thing which is you're not gonna see if you buy a new Apple product for now, the Apple stickers, which are just going away now. So Apple is, from as far as I know, from the 16 series, they're not including these Apple stickers in any of their new products. So this is one more thing. What else? Just keep this one aside. Yeah. So the Lightning to Type C cable. It should be good enough in length, I guess, but I will open it later. But if you guys want to know how long is this, or if you don't know about it, you can just leave a comment for it. I can answer you. And again, the adapter. I don't have to spend 18 or 20 bucks on it. I get it for free. And this is a 20-watt adapter. US pins, obviously, because I got it here. But yeah, that's all for the unboxing stuff. So what all did I get in the very end? Some paperwork. Yeah. I don't know if I'll be able to fit all of this in the frame or not. But yeah, I got all this. This should be good, I guess. So you can see these again: adapter, lightning to micro USB Type C cable, stickers, some paperwork, and the iPad. And now let's just move all of these things for aside for now, and let's get. So yeah, let's move to the main product of the night. This is this thing, and it's wrapped up in some butter paperish thingy. And let's just move this thing for once, and then I'll discuss more things with you about it. Let's just keep that paper for aside for now. So yeah, this is the main thing. You can see the Apple iPad 9 generation, Wi-Fi only, and you can see the Apple logo, iPad, and this is a mic. This is the camera. It's around 12 megapixels, I guess. But yeah, and on the bottom there are two speakers, lightning port, unfortunately, but after this, from the 10th version, there's a type C port, and even in iPhones also now from iPhone 15 there's a type C port, so you're lucky about that. And this is the Apple Pencil connector so that it sticks over here. And on the other side we have the volume rockers, and on the top we have the the power button, and another mic, and a rare thing these days, we have the audio headphone jack, 3.5 mm headphone jack. And on the front, sorry about these, this is the black front of this. We have the Touch ID, which was gone for a while, but I guess it's back now in the latest versions of the iPhone. But yeah, it's still there, the vintage Touch ID. And we have the black screen in the front. Also, you can see I got the silver version, which is leaving some thumbprints, I guess. But yeah, it is good. So the good thing about the 9th version in comparison to the 8th version was, in the 8th version, depending upon the color that you get, so if you had got the silver color, would have got the white bezels on front, which looks really bad if you have these thick bezels, I guess. But in the 9th version, what they did was they made all the bezels black so that it helps in like less noticing of these bezels. So where that was a really good thing, and that's why I guess I got this color, and it was perfect for me. And this is like a 10.3-inch screen, and we have the Touch ID. But yeah, so about like how much does this thing go for nowadays, and where you can buy it, and how did I got it. So firstly, this thing goes for sale around like $329, I guess, $300 or $329 without taxes. But there's this Black Friday sales coming in just a few weeks, I guess. So from there, you probably will be able to get this thing if you want to get a cheaper iPad for around $200, which is a really good deal, I guess, if you don't want to spend much, but you still want a machine that could help you in basic tasks and like basic noting down of your notes and all. So how did I got it? So yes, I got it for free, guys. Free. So, and how did I got it? So there's this Apple store in UC Davis, which is in the Memorial Union. As I told you, I'm a student here at University of California, Davis. So there only we have this store called the UC Davis store, I guess. And in that there is a Apple store, which they had their rebranding, and now their name is Tech Hub. And for their rebranding, and then they had a grand opening for that, the Tech Hub, they had a giveaway of two products. One was the gift hamper, which was like around 30 to 40 bucks, and it had some things like hoodies, water bottles, and some other stuff, I guess. And there was this was the main thing, which was the iPad, and we could put one entry for a raffle for both of them. So I did put in both for both of them, but for the first one, my name wasn't drawn, and I didn't really want it as well. But for the second draw, so fun story, my name was not the first one to be drawn. So spoiler alert, I did win the giveaway, but again, my name was not the first one to be drawn for this thing. Someone else's name was there, but they were like, we don't have to prove their identity. They didn't have their own college ID also. And when they asked, like the team for this store asked them to at least log into their UC Davis account, they were like, I forgot my password. So because of the not verification of their identity, they were denied to be given the product. But I guess it was my lucky day. And after that, on the second drop, my name was drawn. I was super happy. I raised my hand and I ran to the podium where this thing was given, and I just went there, took this thing, and just ran away out of that. I was super happy. I didn't realize I got an iPad for free. So I just took this thing and just ran away from there. And yeah, that was again, I guess, my lucky day. That is why I got it. So yeah, in conclusion, I got it because of luck and because I knew there was a giveaway happening. So I was at the right place at the right time. Because of that, I guess I got this thing. So if you all are also interested in winning these kind of things, you should look out. If you are studying in a university or in general also on Instagram and all, there are multiple giveaways happening a lot of times. So you can just try following them and try participating in them. Most of the times you'll not get it, but there would be one day on which you'll get it and you'll be like, I did not expect this. Well, yeah, I think this was a clickbait, but sorry about that. But yeah, I just wanted to do this so like to show how I got this iPad for free. And this was it. Hope you enjoyed this video. I just wanted to make it to just share. I was super happy about this. And yeah, if you have any general doubts about UC Davis, or as I'm studying in the master's program here, or if you're an international student, or in general about anything which I can help, please leave a comment on this video. I'll be make sure to like answer all of your questions. And yeah, that's it. Have a good day. Have a good rest of your quarter if you're in the UC system, or rest of your semester, or whatever you're doing in your life. Best of luck for that. And yeah, that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Bye.